Welcome! Step right up to a $10 million American mansion. No ordinary house this. The creamy walls and chunky chocolate bar roof tiles make it look straight out of a fairy tale. Gleaming windows reflect the sky, and the front door is a grand polished wood with a brass handle that shines in the sun. A winding stone path leads you past bushes trimmed into playful shapes. Above, a balcony with a swirly iron railing promises the perfect morning tea spot. The house feels big, but inviting, with hidden garage doors and a sense of fun. When the door opens, you're greeted by a marble-floored entrance hall, black and white like a giant chessboard. The chandelier overhead isn't just fancy, it's a swirl of colorful glass, sparkling rainbows across the walls. This place is grand, but it's got a warm, welcoming heart. The details, like the clever garage doors and playful landscaping, hint at a creative owner. Step inside, and you're instantly swept into a world of luxury and imagination. The entrance sets the tone, impressive but never stuffy. It's a proper welcome, and you know you're in for something special. Let's see what's next inside. Into the living room we go, massive, bright, and full of character. Sunny yellow walls and a cloud-soft rug invite you to relax. Deep red sofas, piled with quirky cushions, promise comfort you'll never want to leave. A smooth wooden coffee table anchors the room, perfect for tea and snacks. The fireplace, built from chunky stone, is a true centerpiece. Imagine it roaring on a winter's night. The mantel is lined with odd clocks and statues, each with its own story. The walls burst with cheerful, whimsical art in lopsided frames. Technology is woven in. Clap your hands, and the velvet curtains close themselves. It's a room for laughter, invention, and living well. Every detail, from the playful art to the magic curtains, makes this space unique. It's not just a living room, it's a place to make memories. The atmosphere is warm, creative, and just a bit magical. You can feel the joy in every corner. This is where the heart of the home beats. Let's see what's cooking next. The kitchen is a chef's paradise, modern, bright, and full of clever touches. Blue cabinets, cool stone counters, and a central island make it the heart of the home. The island boasts its own sink and a sleek stovetop with copper pans gleaming above. Top-tier appliances include a smart fridge and an oven you can talk to. No more burnt toast. There's a coffee machine for the perfect brew at the press of a button. Fresh herbs line the windowsill, filling the air with their scent. The pantry is stacked with treats, and a blackboard invites doodles or shopping lists. Tall stools at the island make it a spot for conversation as much as cooking. Every detail is designed for creativity and comfort. It's a kitchen made for both feasts and fun. Let's head upstairs. Upstairs, the main bedroom is a peaceful retreat in soft lavender and cream. A king-size bed with a cloud-like headboard and piles of pillows promises the best sleep. There's a cozy sitting area by the window, perfect for morning tea and birdwatching. The walk-in wardrobe is vast, with a gadget to help pick your outfit. The ensuite bathroom is pure luxury, a huge tub, gold swan taps, a rain shower, and heated floors. Fluffy towels and fragrant soaps complete the spa-like feel. Every corner is designed for comfort and relaxation. The view over the garden and hills is breathtaking. It's a space for rest, dreams, and a touch of indulgence. The bedroom blends technology and tranquility seamlessly. Now, let's see where the fun happens downstairs. Down in the basement, the fun really begins. The home cinema is a private theater. Plush armchairs, velvet curtains, and a giant screen. Press a button and the lights dim for a true movie experience, complete with surround sound and a popcorn machine. Next door, the gym is bright and energetic, with colorful equipment and a climbing wall that lights up. There's a treadmill, weights, and a big screen for workout videos. After exercising, relax in the sauna, or grab a cold drink from the fridge. The gym is playful, not intimidating. Fitness made fun. Both spaces are designed for entertainment and well-being. You could spend hours here, never missing the outside world. It's the ultimate setup for movie nights and staying healthy. This house truly has it all. Let's step outside for the grand finale. Out back, the garden is a private paradise. Step onto a sun-warmed patio with comfy furniture and a big table for outdoor meals. The pool is a sparkling, curvy blue oasis, complete with a relaxing waterfall and a bubbling hot tub. Colorful lights transform the pool area into a magical retreat at night. Beyond, rolling lawns and sculpted flower beds invite games and picnics. Shady trees and vibrant flowers create a playful, claymation feel. A winding path leads to a vegetable patch. Fresh carrots and potatoes. Anyone. The garden is alive with color, fun, and possibilities. It's perfect for parties, quiet afternoons, or stargazing from the hot tub. Every inch is designed for enjoyment and relaxation. The outdoor space is as imaginative as the house itself. It's a world of its own, right at your doorstep. Let's wrap up our tour. Living here would be a daily adventure, waking in a cloud-soft bed, greeted by smart technology, breakfast in the dream kitchen, movie marathons in your private cinema, and pool parties in your backyard oasis. The house is playful, creative, and full of surprises. It's not just about luxury, it's about happiness, comfort, and making memories. Every room encourages fun, creativity, and relaxation. The mansion is a blend of fantasy and function, where technology makes life easy, and every detail delights. It's a home designed for joy, not just for show. Here you'd find inspiration in every corner and comfort in every moment. A place to invent, laugh, and live well. A true claymation dream come to life. Now, who's for a bit of cheese after all that exploring? Cheese.